Hello, I am Pradeep Chawla from Delhi. I am a practicing company secretary. My office is there in Gita Colony, another is there at Netaji Subhash Place. I'm running this office in the name of Pradeep Chawla and Associates since last 10 years. Actually, there were some cases in the same building, so when I actually came to know that some of the people are in the same building and they came positive, so I got my testing done. Then I also came positive. That's it. So this is a disease basically that hits your respiratory system, and I think the people who are of our age, 40s, and basically they can come out of this disease if they have the strong immunity system. So basically what I did is I concentrated on my diet. I did some yoga and then just looked after myself in a great way. So it didn't take much of the time for myself to get out of it. That's it. So basically when people came to know that I'm corona positive, they all were very supportive and they helped me in all possible ways. So basically when a person is home isolated, he has to face many difficulties, like he has to get some groceries, medications, everything. So I got everything at my doorstep, and I got all the help from everyone, like who are neighbors, who are families. So I got everything at home, so I didn't have to face much of the difficulties in that difficult time. No, there is no side effect after the corona, and once a person is recovered from corona, I don't feel that one has to face any sort of problem. Corona is basically affecting our life very drastically, because we all are facing so many difficulties. Facing so many difficulties in our business, having sanitization. We cannot meet the people. We cannot go outside. Food, food restrictions are there. Traveling restrictions are there, and the things are getting difficult because vaccine isn't there. So life is very stuck as of now. As this is a new normal, and people have adopted the new lifestyle with sanitization of their hands, wearing masks and all, but we all need to be very cautious because the cases are increasing very rapidly, and people are of elder age, they need to be very cautious, and the people who are having some history of their medical issues, so they need to be very alert about it. So however, the life is a little difficult related to this. My advice to all the viewers that you should adhere to the government's guidelines. You should always maintain the social distancing. You should always wear the mask whenever you're in a public space, and you should sanitize your hands. Like this is a time when one has to be very cautious in terms of COVID-19, because this disease may harm you if you take it very lightly. So 2 गज की दूरी will help you to stay safe and